My business story is I never thought I would be able to get back into work after a really long time and so many years in recovery. My self-employment started from finding my passion, and it was from the recovery drama therapy. And it really made a lot of improvement around my personal life. Then I eventually made a decision I'm going to be self-employed, and I'm now actually working as an actor and also voiceover artist, which I'm really happy and proud of. Planning and starting workbook, it helped me to work out and plan, analyze the steps I've taken or what steps I need to improve on. The book really prepared me before the live session, which was led by Phil. I've also downloaded the app, which in the book, they've got this boat lightning sign. You could scan it and simply watching the video and materials. I also enjoyed the templates within the book. I had fun working out my what's my business budget, how's my monthly cost, what is my monthly cost, and also other different exercises. They are really practical and helpful. Something different from what I've experienced. It's really like the first stepping stone if you want to get back to work environment. It was very hard for me from beginning to essentially to take the step. But once I got the book, I slowly reading it. The content had easy layout, and also language was quite simple to understand. I like the book because I think the book really included the most areas as a business person will encounter, whether in the early stage or later stage. And I think it's really important to have that understanding from your own rather than rely on other people. In one of the sessions, we were talking about legal and tax, which I find it fascinating because I think that's really important as a self-employed person. We're all required to do the tax return. And Phil really got into the depths of explaining to me everything. So I didn't manage to do my first year tax return on my own. I was really happy. That's all because I learned from the course, and also the other areas they're covering. It's really beneficial for the future. So I will always keep my book. I know it's always gonna be there. And whenever I'm running into problem, I can go in the book and search for answers. I think my number one tip would be really take the time to find that one passion. You are definitely never gonna give up, and stay focused and follow the steps.